Hello, my name is Blaine Elliott, and I'm with the Lower Mississippi Valley Joint Venture. And I'll be leading you through a demonstration of the joint venture's new conservation planning tool. Previously, Ducks Unlimited has hosted our conservation layers planning tool for about a decade or so that allowed users to view, zoom in and zoom out on, and relayer JV created and JV related data sets for the Mississippi Alluvial Valley. This new site expands on previous capabilities by including all Mississippi Alluvial Valley and West Gulf Coastal Plain data sets, provides basic tools, and allows the exporting of all hosted products into a variety of geospatial formats. We are relabeling this new capacity as our Conservation Planning Tool, or CP tool. You can locate the CP tool by hovering over the Conservation Tools dropdown and selecting Conservation Tools Summary. Here we have a list of conservation tools, and the top one is our Conservation Planning Tool. You can link to the Conservation Planning Tool homepage by selecting the links there. On the homepage, you can see that we have a link to the ArcGIS Online Experience Footer site. We also have a helpful user's guide and a link to the our LMVJV related data sets via a open data FWS site that is filtered to just display Lower Mississippi Valley Joint Venture data. We suggest that all new users follow the help guide here in order to properly operate all the CP tool functions. After selecting the link and opening the CP tool, let's locate the layer list on the left-hand side. By using the scroll bar, you can see that there are over 30 data layers added to the tool. Active layers display with bright text, while inactive layers show dim text, meaning that they are not viewable at this zoom level, but will be viewable once you zoom into their appropriate scale. You can also make layers visible and invisible by selecting and deselecting the eyeball button that's provided with each layer. A set of tools are available above the layer lists. The first tool is called the search tool, where you can type in the name of the known location, and the map will zoom in to that area automatically. The next tool is our layers tool that you can select to switch between the layer format and the list to the legend format. Legend format enables you to see all the symbology for visible and active layers. The base map tool provides a large number of images you can use for your background. And the measure tool provides a straight line measurement between points or a polygon area measurement. You can Select the Home button to reset to the default map view. Use your mouse to scroll in and out on the map, and you can use your cursor to select to identify a particular area that's shown on the screen. As you can see here, the identify button will give the identity of the topmost layer, but you can also see any layers that are underneath this particular layer. Also, you can zoom to that particular layer as you select it for identification. And each layer has identifying information that you can use and discover by scrolling down on the lower right. To make metadata information available for each data layer, click the ellipsis in the layer list and choose details. The item description information includes summary, data provenance, purpose, data created, etc. kind of data that allows you to understand more about the data that that is being provided. If you are an AGLL authorized user and are logged in, here will include an export option. If you are not, however, you can use the link provided here by copying and pasting this link into your browser, and this will take you to the Open Data FWS site that's mentioned earlier. Scroll down to find the information that you were looking for. Click on that data name, and a download option will present itself that will provide you with several different download export alternatives. Finally, due to connection speed or internet browser that you're using, some layers may take longer to display. For instance, we zoom in and try to display a data layer. You may see a flashing blue dot temporarily while the layer redraws. If you do see the dot for a prolonged period of time, you may want to try a different type browser, Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, or preferred options. Or you may just want to download the data and view it on your local computer system with GIS software. If you need assistance with any of these data or the conservation planning tool itself, you can contact Blaine Elliott at BLAINE_ELLIOTT at fws.gov.